Guys, this is the state of my blender before. It's a plastic cup and not a glass. I've tried both store-bought detergents and DIYs trying to take off the stain, but I couldn't. I used this blender for many things and the stain refused to go because it's plastic. And here is it now after the DIY. I think this is more presentable and attractive. What do you think, guys? Hello lovelies, in this video I'm going to show you a DIY transformation of this blender. I think it's more presentable now compared to the before picture that I showed you earlier in the intro. These side parts, the angles were purposely left out so that I'll be seeing through what's inside and what I'm blending, because I can't see through the adhesive that was used. I wanted to use this one, this particular one. This is a see-through design, adhesive design. As you can see through it, but unfortunately when I bought this one, it was not meant for something like this. It's used for another purpose, so I couldn't use it for this blender. So I went back to buy another one, the same design but different usage. Hope you understand. As you can see what is written on it, it says plastica adhesivo. That's Italian, plastic adhesive. Okay, so that's the one I used. The first one that is seen through, I couldn't use that one. I think that one is used for what will I call it, for your bathroom. You can, if you want to design your glass, it's used for glass. Yes, it's used for glass, just to so, and as you can see, my blender is not glass, it's plastic. If it has been a glass, I would have used the see-through one, which I preferred, but all the same, they all look good, and at least my blender is more presentable now. This work was done by my husband. Thanks to him. I wanted to change my blender, but to be honest, this blender does a great job for me. I love it. The motor is so strong that it gets the job done for me anytime. And I'm sure if I put a stone in it, it will get it crushed for me. Just joking. This blender is so strong and I've been using it for about 2 years now. There is no fault and it gets the job done for me. So I don't see the reason why I should go for another blender, all because of the cup. So he decided to decorate it for me in this way. So in this video, I'm going to show you how this DIY was done. So keep watching, give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to share and also subscribe to my channel if you've not yet done that.